Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Dreamy ripple stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 8. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Skip 1 chain, into the next one make a single crochet. We're going to start our first small ripple. Into the next chain, make 3 single crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. So that's going to be 1 single crochet, 3 into the next chain, and then 1 single crochet into the next chain. And now we're going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 2 chains into this next one, make a single crochet. Into the next one, you're going to make that 3 single crochet into the same chain. And then 1 single crochet into the next chain. Same thing, skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet. Into the next one, make that 3 single crochet into the 1 chain together. And then into this next chain, make a single crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make a single crochet. Into the next chain, make 3 single crochet all together in that chain. Make 1 single crochet into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. Make 3 single crochet into the next chain. Make 1 single crochet into the next chain. Now we're at the end of our row. We have 2 chains left and we need to match it like we did at the beginning of our row. We did a single crochet, skipped a chain, and then a single crochet. So we have a single crochet right here. We're going to skip this next chain and then into the last chain of this row, make a single crochet to match the beginning of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. You're going to skip 1 stitch or 1 single crochet. We're going to start working into the back loops of each stitch, which is going to be this loop right here if you're unfamiliar. And so we skipped this stitch into this next one. We're going to make a single crochet into that back loop. It's going to look like that. And then we're going to start making our waves like we did in the first row, how we made single crochet, 3 single crochet, and then a single crochet, so that waves sandwiched in between each a single crochet. So this is our first one. So into the back loop of the next stitch, we've got to make that wave. So you make 3 single crochet into the back loop of this next stitch. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet by itself using only that back loop. So you can see we have that single crochet by itself, the 3 single crochet, and then the 1 single crochet by itself, all using the back loops to create this ridge. Now we're going to be skipping 2 stitches, just like we skipped 2 chains in our first row, so it's very similar. It's going to be the same sequence. And then we're going to start this whole thing over again. We're going to skip 2 stitches into the next one, make a single crochet using that back loop. Into the next stitch, 3 single crochet into that back loop. And then into that next stitch, 1 single crochet into that back loop. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, 1 single crochet using that back loop. Into the next one, 3 single crochet into that back loop, and then into this next one, 1 single crochet into that back loop. skip 2 stitches into this next one, 1 single crochet into that back loop, 3 single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the back loop of that next one. Skip 2 stitches, 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, 3 single crochet into the back loop of that next one, and then 1 single crochet into the back loop of that next one. Now we've come to the end of our row. We only have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch, just like at the beginning of our row. We did that single crochet, we skipped a stitch, and then we started our ripples. So you're going to skip 1 stitch. Into the last stitch of your row, you're going to make a single crochet by itself, a regular single crochet, to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Dreamy Ripple Stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.